If you're doing same job again and again and again, it's time for you to wake up. What I say, at the age of 70, 80, whatever your age is, when you're in your deathbed, you do not want to die with one regret कि मैंने try नहीं किया.
If you have to differentiate between a good founder and a confused founder, so how would you do that?
I think by the questions they ask. आपको vanity metrics नहीं मिलेगा, it's okay. If you believe in something and if that belief adds a meaning to someone's life, stick to it. The marketing campaigns कर बार कर लो, A/B testing कर. Till the time your core is not strong, you are just shooting shit with confidence and wasting your money on that, right? So one advice or the myths which I am trying to break is marketing is not a magic wand. You first know what is the difference between execution and strategy.
For someone who is hearing about Epic framework for the very first time, what does it stand for?
Whole model of Epic is around inside out strategy. The word inside and then outside. Leaders creating impact. They're very sure of their inside. And once they are sure of their inside and they are exhibiting that outside, people tend to connect. Why don't we allow ourselves this permission to reinvent?
Right.
That's the thought behind Epic. You are allowed to reinvent. You are allowed to recreate your own career. And you are allowed to choose your life the way you want to. There are only 3 C's of communication you should always remember. Authenticity will be the foremost trait that will be looked upon to. Be it brand, be it career, be it leaders. People will follow authentic people.
Yeah, right. So is this framework only for brands or solopreneurs or freelancers, creators, doctors, etc. can also use this framework? And how do they do that? Hi everyone, namaste. This is Anjali Kochar. Welcome back to Kahaniya. आज के इस पॉडकास्ट में, आज की इस कहानी में, we spoke to Mr. Jitin Thapar, who is the creator of the Epic Philosophy. Epic philosophy क्या है? What are the core pillars which make the epic philosophy? Why is it relevant for you listening to us right now? How it is going to help you, whether you are a founder, an entrepreneur, or a student for that matter, or a professional. How is it going to help you? We have discussed everything in detail in this conversation with a lot of stories, through a lot of stories, कहानियां ही जो है जिनसे हमें समझने में कॉन्सेप्ट्स को आसानी होती है और कहानियों के थ्रू जब हम समझते हैं तो वो चीजें हमें हमेशा के लिए याद रहती हैं एंड मुझे इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला तो आई बिलीव यू मस्ट लिसन टू दिस एंटायर कॉन्वर्जेशन एंड देन यू वुड रियलाइज दैट मे बी एग्जीक्यूशन करने से पहले यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एपिक फिलोसफी फर्स्ट तो मैं ज्यादा डिटेल्स नहीं दूंगी जस्ट लिसन टू द कॉन्वर्जेशन एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट Hi Jitin, welcome to Kahaniya. How are you?
Hi Anjali, thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I'm good. How are you?
Amazing. Great. So at Kahaniya, we have this tradition that we start the conversation with a story that defines our guest. So we would like to hear your kahani, your story first before we get to the questions we have for you. But then we want to start with a beautiful story you want to share with the audiences today.
Sure. So Anjali, so professionally, I would say my story has been quite, similar to what people are experiencing nowadays. When I'm saying experiencing nowadays is disruption, story of disruption, story of, being in that constant loop of what I'm meant to do, what's the meaning of life, what's the meaning of my work. And this story is also about, resetting and reinventing every time life has, thrown challenges on me. From a corporate, I've been blessed with good mentors, but also I've been blessed with some very disruptive changes. So the reason why I'm saying I'm blessed is we'll get to know about it as we discuss the questions and discuss the conversation. But yes, I think if I look back at my 15 years of career, I have grown equally good because of these disruptions and the learning behind it. And I think after working in corporate for 14 years, I'm much more clear and much more in a happier place than where I started from. So my story is all about, you know, trying to work on the challenges and trying to get the most out of it. So it's a pure story of reinvention, and that is exactly why and how I have created my own philosophy, my own frameworks, and which I call it Epic. And this is my perspective, and a very I think different perspective, because a lot of people don't take reinvention, don't take disruption in a very good term. You know, people think that okay, our problems are hai, what do I do? Why me? You know,
Hmm.
but rather I would say people who are actually facing these disruptions after a year of time, if they intentionally work upon these disruptions, maybe they will be the person who said, "Thank God it was me."
Hmm.
So you know, for me, reinvention is not a crisis. In fact, it is an inside-out strategy.
Right. So, if you can explain to whoever is listening to us today, what exactly do you mean by someone who is facing disruption and going through reinvention?
So, see, disruption can mean different meanings basis upon the context we're talking about, right? Technology disruption is, you know, when the old technology is no more supporting you and the new technology comes into picture. Typically, like typewriter to computer, when we talk about it, you know, it was a huge disruption that time also. In personal life, disruption is that, you know, you are going through a very tough phase of life. That is also a disruption. So, whatever actually brings a pause, or whatever brings you know, there's a flight mein hota na, when you are flying, then there is a lot of turbulence. So whatever creates that turbulence becomes a disruption of life. And similarly in professional also, you know, we were taught, you know, we were conditioned into this thought that study hard, you know, work hard and retire from the same company, right? In fact, our parents, I mean my parents, both were from government job. They retired from the same company they joined. But disruption in today's world is that it has only become an aspiration. You know, people rarely retire from where they started. Now, this disruption can be because of your own conviction, because I want to do something else. I want to, you know, maybe try some different company. That can be internal. And then they can be external, like the company, you know, restructure itself. Job
Right.
losses that we are seeing nowadays.
Right.
It's again an external disruption. Now, the thing is, with internal disruption, you still have some control. You know, I can choose to work 2 years more and then maybe, you know, try something else. You can choose. External disruption, unfortunately, does not let you choose. You are sitting, you know, in a computer, you're just logging off, and morning 5 a.m., you know, you get a message from HR that, okay, from tomorrow you don't have to come,
Yeah.
right? So that's something which you don't choose.
Right.
So Epic is about that disruption. And it's not only us as people, even brands do reinvent. They also face these disruptions, right? So when brands are reinventing, they're restructuring, they're reprocessing for in order to maintain themselves to keep on existing, right? So why don't we allow ourselves this permission to reinvent?
Right.
That's the thought behind Epic. You are allowed to reinvent, you are allowed to recreate your own career, and you are allowed to choose your life the way you want to. And now with Epic, you can do it more intentionally, you can do it with a more structure, and you can do it with more clarity that you have never got. I mean, I don't know if it was ever there.
Right. So,
Yeah.
for someone who is hearing about Epic framework for the very first time, what
Mhm.
does it stand for and what's the philosophy behind it?
So, uh, just because this is about kahaniya, so I will
Mhm.
root all my
Sure.
answers with my kahani. Uh, Epic actually started when I exited my full time job. I was into a leadership position. When I exited a full time job, some businesses came to me, and they were all startups, international startups. Two of them were international startups, and one was domestic. So they had a great product, they had a great, service, and they wanted to create a brand out of it. And then that's how I started working on a model. Now, to my surprise, and why I'm saying my surprise, because I've worked in this industry for 15 years. Same marketing I've worked for 5 years. To my surprise, when I'm working in a corporate versus when I'm working independently, there's a lot of difference.
Right.
When I'm working in a corporate, I already have a brand guidelines, I already have brand assets, I already have this, that, everything is there, because I'm just continuing a role. Now, when it's independent, I don't have a framework or a structure until and unless I go and purchase one template or the other. So when I was creating these brand, and the very first business which I was creating was actually a havoc for me. I had to wake up till late night, late mornings, because everything was coming into me simultaneously. When you are into marketing or any position, any field, when you are building a business from scratch, you want to do this thing also, that thing also, that thing also. Everything comes
Right.
to you at once, right? So my analytical mind asked me to create a structure, because otherwise I'll go mad, and otherwise this won't sustain, right? So, and that's how Epic came into picture. And these 5 pillars are not a very complex pillars, because I don't like complexity. As a person, I like things simple. Simple for another person to also understand, and simple for you to incorporate. So I just picked out these 5 basics, and these are very foundational: existence, positioning, identity, communication, community, very, very foundational. And then I started creating brand out of it. Now, to my surprise, since I also am, as a personality, I'm a very deep thinker. So when I was working on this, I saw that, okay, so these 5 pillars, if I can create a brand from scratch, why can't these same 5 pillars recreate myself as my new brand?
Mm.
Right? Because these are foundations. These are not the surface level tricks or hacks. These are like the basics of everything. And since I've already been into leadership positions, I have worked with some of the great leaders also, and I have worked with some toxic leaders also, and I won't shy away from mentioning that. And that's the life of everyone around, right? They have worked with good managers, and they have worked with toxic managers. So then I realized that, the same principles, if I apply in leadership also, what can be the result? And to my surprise, when I was again, digging deep into it, I started finding those patterns. And you won't believe, these 5 pillars are actually invisible signs of how successful brands, successful professionals, and successful leaders have emerged from inside to outside. Yeah. And these are very, very specific pillars, and these are very synchronized one after another. And then there's a loop. After C, you come back to your existence. And that made me, okay, so this was a creation of it. I thought, okay, let's try to apply it. And then I started digging deep into how our famous brands, legacy brands reinvent, how leaders, whom we call leaders right now, right? They are like, who are the brands right now, how they operate, and people who have reinvented in a new career stream, and they're doing quite fine in that career stream, how they reinvented. And these same patterns of EPICC existed. So it was for me like a eureka moment. Okay, I finally found something. I found an answer to people, of what to do and how to do. Right. So Anjali, just to give you again, just to give you a proper summary of Epic, of how people should understand it. It's not necessary to know your why when you start a new journey.
Right.
A lot of time situations will come. It will just वो आपको उठा देंगे सीट से. It will just kick you out of the seat you are in. It will just,
Yeah.
one
Right.
morning you are an employee, second morning you are unemployed, right? And I'm talking from the deep empathy of mine. Now, situations are not in your control. right? And what makes this reinvention journey more dangerous, or बोलते हैं डरावना, it
Hmm.
feels more threatened, is because as psychology, as human mind is afraid of uncertainty. And human mind, when they are uncertain, they tend
Hmm.
to overthink. They
Right.
tend to take wrong decisions just to safeguard themselves, right?
Hmm.
Now, what if somebody tells you, okay, now this thing has happened to you, or for brand, okay, now your brand is not working fine, or a leader, okay, your leadership is not giving a particular kind of this thing impact. So these are the five pillars you operate on consciously, and then see the result. So your mind will jump into it. Why? Because now you have got a बोलते हैं ना एक राह मिल गई है. You have got a path. You have got a
Right.
structure to it. And then things become more easier because trust me when I say that the most feared brain will always introspect the most and find out things that you would have never known in your life. So that's epic. That's epic.
Mhm. Right. So, how do a brand or a person who wants to apply this philosophy into their life, for that matter, start with? I mean, what should be the process like for using this philosophy in terms of their marketing or their reinvention?
So Anjali, I think the first thing to start epic is first acknowledge that you are in a trouble. Right? Acknowledge that you don't know what to do next,
Right.
and acknowledge what is creating trouble. Because till the time you don't acknowledge and accept that, you will never want to reinvent. Right? Because reinvention is not क्या बोलते हैं उसको, it's not a very comfortable position. Hey, it's a clubhouse, you go, you enjoy. Now the thing is different. I'm also talking contradictory, is you actually tend to enjoy reinvention when you first accept that you need to reinvent. So the first thing is acceptance, and second thing is introspection. The whole model of epic is around inside out strategy, toward inside and then outside. Because how I've seen people creating impact, brands creating impact, or let's say leaders creating impact, is they're very sure of their inside. And once they are sure of their inside and they are exhibiting that outside, people tend to connect. Because the way uh, uh, things are going, the way situations are leading, authenticity will be the foremost uh, trait that will be looked upon to, be it brand, be it career, be it leaders. People will follow authentic people.
Yeah. Right. So is this framework only for brands or solopreneurs or freelancers, creators, doctors, etc. can also use this framework? And how do they do that? Do they need guidance for that or can be done themselves?
All right. So, Anjali, epic applies to everyone living and breathing, right? It applies to brands also. And when you talk about doctors, entrepreneurs, they're also a brand. Brand is what? When public perceives you, you become a brand, right? You, for example, Anjali, you are doing a podcast with Kahania, right? So you are also a brand. Now, how famous it is, how popular it is, how unpopular it is completely based on how you're connecting to your audience. But you are a brand, right?
Mhm.
And the student who is studying in class 12th, or who is doing his MBA, right? Or maybe who is doing his graduation. Now, when they also want to, you know, join a corporate, they are also creating a brand. Now, the choice is, are you creating it intentionally, or you are allowing people to create it for you?
Yeah.
That's difference. If you create it intentionally, you would be known for something you want to be known for. And if you are not intentional in that, and trust me when I say this, because, and this is for all the students out there. I mean, I'm sure a lot of students also hear your podcast. That time is gone. When you join a corporate, you work, you work, you work, and then you start getting recognition. That time is gone, my dear friends. The time is that you now have to stand for something. In fact, during my corporate, when I used to take interviews, the skill was not enough. The aptitude, the attitude, everything counted, right? And those individuals who came to me as somebody who knew themselves much more confidently, they were exhibiting a brand trait, right? They were telling me, okay, you hire me because this is this, I am this, I can do this. In short, they're telling me, okay, boss, I am a brand you should own. So for students also, you have to be very mindful about how you want to represent yourself into a professional world.
Right, right. So let's take example. Matlab, we are at Kahania only, so let's talk through stories more. So
Mhm.
when you work with someone, let's say we take an example of entrepreneur you're working with, and then maybe let's take an example of a student later. Okay, so if you're working with an entrepreneur, he has a small business, and he comes to you that I want to apply Epic to my own small business. So, what is the process like for you? I mean, is how many weeks it takes, or entirely what is the process like A to Z? If you can explain in short.
All right. So Epic are these five pillars, right?
Hmm.
EPICC. And
Right,
out of my own execution that I have done for other brands, usually for first three pillars, it takes time, maybe around 2.5, 3 months, because that's the very important part of it. Because existence, positioning, identity, these three need proper calibration, proper brainstorming, getting deeper into both their conscious and subconscious qualities.
right.
So these three pillars will take around 2 to 3 months, and
Hmm.
then the next 2 months can be around next 2 months can be around communication. Now the community is something which goes lifelong. So
Yeah.
the proper 5 to 6 months is what duration if you are ready to invest that much of time.
Hmm.
Again, everything comes in two packages. One is your proper deep work, and secondly is your fast work. So same person can also apply Epic in 3 months or 2 months, and the same person can also apply Epic in 6 months. But I would recommend for somebody using Epic, or who want to talk to me about Epic, take into account that it will need 6 months if you really
Hmm.
want to dissect into it.
Yeah. Yeah, and absolutely right when you said that the first three pillars take time because existence, positioning, identity, these are the things people get confused all the time about. जब clear ही नहीं
Absolutely.
होता है कि what you want to show yourself as in the market, then
Yeah,
problem वहीं से start हो जाती है. It is
start हो
all about
जाती है.
that positioning and that identity
In
building.
fact, Ankita, the good point raised.
Hmm.
Sometimes I do get, inquiries, and the nature of inquiry, and they are very new to these businesses, right?
Hmm.
Now, this is also my problem and my frustration, by the way. Now, they say कि सर marketing करनी है, and हमारे पास ये प्रोडक्ट है, अल्टीमेट प्रोडक्ट है, ये बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट आउट ऑफ द क्लास प्रोडक्ट है, एंड ऑल दो
Hmm.
स्टफ. आप बताओ सर मार्केटिंग कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करें?
Hmm.
Now, for these people and for every people who are starting their brands, right?
Hmm.
I let me be very over your face.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
first know what is the difference between execution and strategy, right? And why I'm saying this very cut face is because I have worked in brands that were not only Tabori brands. I worked with global brands, legacy
Right.
brands, and all brands.
Hmm.
And I've also started brands for
Hmm.
people, right? So marketing is not a shortcut. कि आपने आज शुरू किया, परसों से रिजल्ट आ गया.
Yeah.
Please do not do this to yourself or your customers, right?
Mhm.
So when you are so so the the easier way is, if your strategy is done, you are sure about your strategy and everything you're sure about, and you only need execution.
Hmm.
So you have various agencies who do marketing execution specifically for every platforms, है ना?
Right.
आप जाओ and they will give you the rate card, and then you go ahead, all good.
Hmm.
Now, second, people like categories of consultants, of advisors, of strategists. So I am into a strategic advisory field.
Hmm.
Now, these people are not surface level execution, or maybe they're not specifically into execution.
Hmm.
So if you have to take the most out of it, go to the right person with the right questions and the right requirement. So
Hmm.
that's one advice I would want to give to newcomers,
Hmm.
that be very specific to whom you're going and what is expected out of them. This will
Hmm.
not only save your time, but it will
Hmm.
also make you go in a direction which is actually good for your brand.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I think now if we come to, let's say, आपने कहा Epic सबके लिए है, right? So if we talk about anyone who is not an entrepreneur, but let's say working with a company or starting a new job, or a student who is transitioning into job life or corporate life, तो वहाँ पे कैसे execute कर सकते हैं this framework को? उनके लिए है, नहीं है, और if we can execute?
So Anjali, I think उनके लिए तो सबसे अच्छा है.
हाँ.
And that's a very, I mean, Epic is very good for them. Why? Because thinking myself, अगर मुझे Epic पता होता 10 years back when I was in
Hmm.
corporate, I could have
Hmm.
taken this decision much more earlier and with confidence.
Hmm.
Getting my point? So
Hmm.
when you consciously apply Epic without even a drastic change of circumstances, yeah, disruption, then you are more in power to, change your direction, or to apply your direction. Now second question is, how do they apply, right?
Right.
Main question is that, देखो corporate में ना, there are three things you have to be very mindful of. Out of my experience I'm telling you, and this is not a bookish knowledge, I will never give any bookish knowledge. First thing is how comfortable you are getting. Now this is something which you should not avoid, or you should not overlook. Because the moment you are being comfortable, that means you are doing repeat work again and again. And with repetition, comfort is there, right? Brain I automatically says, this is my place, boss. मेरे को ये काम बार बार करना है. I'm happy being there. So first thing, be aware of what your position is. If you're doing same job again and again and again, it's time for you to wake up. AI ने इतना crash कैसे लेके आया? Why thousands, not even hundreds, thousands of job globally are being truncated? Because
Right.
AI replaced something similar. Execution, boss, execution I can do. AI said,
Hmm.
इंसान महीने में करेगा, I can do in 3 hours. What's your
Right.
need? And then all of a sudden you are disrupted. Oh, boss, मैं क्या करूँ? है ना?
Hmm.
First thing is knowing that which side of comfort are you in. Second thing is never kill your inner voice. अब philosophical है, but
Hmm.
sometimes our unrest is telling us something.
Hmm.
Now अब वो मेरे पास शुरू से अनरेस्ट था. बट मतलब मैंने उसको जाने दिया 14-15 साल. आई लेट इट गो कि चल छोड़ यार, आई एम कंफर्टेबल, आई एम गेटिंग गुड प्रमोशंस एंड सो फोर्थ, आई एम गेटिंग गुड कॉर्पोरेट विजिबिलिटी, व्हाई टू डू दैट? बट समटाइम्स इनर वॉइस इज टेलिंग यू और गिविंग अ ब्लूप्रिंट कि बॉस यू आर नॉट मेंट फॉर कॉर्पोरेट. जाग जा, थिंक अबाउट मी, थिंक अबाउट मी. तो उससे क्या रहता है ना, एंड दैट्स माई ओन स्टोरी. आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम योर डेजिग्नेशन विल नॉट मेक सेंस टू यू,
Right.
योर सैलरीज विल नॉट मेक सेंस टू यू, राइट? You will think all of a sudden that कर क्या रहा हूँ. And ironically, when you will see other people and case studies कि बॉस इसने जॉब छोड़ के अपना शुरू किया and now he is everywhere,
Hmm.
then you start fighting to yourself कि क्या यार, मैं भी तो सोच रहा था, मैंने क्यों अपना
Hmm.
नहीं शुरू किया, है ना?
Yeah.
And what I say, at the age of 70, 80, whatever your age is, when you are in your deathbed, you do not want to die with one regret कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया.
Absolutely. Right.
Right? So second thing is that. And third thing definitely is, Epic is reinvention. It is
Hmm.
something that you need to keep on learning. It's a continuous learning process. So
Hmm.
for students or for corporate, the moment your skill set, your learning, all these things, वो सब stagnate हो जाती हैं, your demand also starts dipping. Because technology, market, customers, they are all changing in the fraction of months or maybe years. पहले होता 10 साल में decade long, inventions होते थे, चीजें change होती थी. अब तो हर एक साल में you are seeing new things. So to be competitive to have a competitive advantage, you should always reinvent. Now again, reinvent does not mean upskilling only. ये सबसे बड़ा लोगों का दिमाग में क्वेश्चन है कि क्या मैं अपस्किल करता रहूं. अब यहाँ पे आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी बस.
Hmm.
Upskilling means there are thousands of courses online.
Right.
मैंने बेवकूफ़ी करी. मैंने 4-5 कोर्स लिए व्हेन आई वाज आउट ऑफ माय कॉर्पोरेट। 2 कोर्स तो मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिए एंड दैट केम टू माय लर्निंग, बट 2 कोर्स मैंने अमाउंट दिया और मैं अंत तक कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया। दैट्स माय
हम्म
प्रॉब्लम आल्सो। मैं बुक भी शुरू करता हूँ ना, कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाता। आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग पैटर्न्स, अपनी स्टोरीज बनाना शुरू करता हूँ। अगेन द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अ डीप थिंकिंग, राइट? Now, till the time you are not sure about your existence, you will do any course on available on internet.
राइट
उससे क्या होगा ना, आप क्लियर से,
राइट
ठीक है, अब सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ। मैं मार्केटिंग का यार, डे वन से आई बीन इनटू मार्केटिंग, नो सेल्स, नो नथिंग, प्योर मार्केटिंग। सो मैंने कोर्स किया ब्रांडिंग का एग्जांपल, ठीक है, एंड इट्स नॉट अ रियल लाइफ स्टोरी, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू फॉर एन एग्जांपल सेक। नाउ ऑल ऑफ अ सडन थिंग्स कम इनटू पिक्चर कि यार एआई इज वेरी हाई, यू शुड लर्न एआई। तो मैंने एआई लर्न किया एंड आई व्हाट आई प्रपोज थ्रू योर मीडियम इज एआई इज अ फ्रेंड, डोंट फेयर
या
इट, शेक हैंड्स विद हिम और हर, एआई जो भी है। सो उसको आप बेसिक नॉलेज में एटलीस्ट लर्न करो, हाउ टू प्रॉम्प्ट एआई। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
राइट
प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एआई। चाहे आप उससे कोड्स बनाओ, चाहे आप उससे यू नो यू जस्ट कन्वर्स विद ऐप। सो अब एआई आया, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एआई मार्केटिंग थ्रू एआई शुरू हो गया। You won't believe in a lot of companies, it's not allowed even till now to use AI for marketing or for any processes. Because AI का एक जो the one thing that is very that scares a lot of people and corporates is the data part of it, you know, and there are not very strict rules, or if I am not wrong, then there's not much confidence that AI can retain your data in a safe manner.
राइट
So there is only level to which you can share a data, right? So a lot of company also forbids you from using AI in terms of your regular activities. अब यहाँ पे महाशय ने AI तो लर्न कर लिया बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज सेइंग सो, बट कंपनी में अप्लाई नहीं कर पाया, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, पर्सनल लर्निंग तो हो गई, बट पर्सनल लर्निंग कैन ओनली बिकम योर strength when you can apply that part, राइट? अब सेकंड केस देता हूँ मैं कि ब्रांडिंग में बंदा है एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ही थिंक्स कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज वेरी गुड। तो उसने वेरी गुड के चक्कर में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कर ली, बट हिज इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ्स वर मोर ऑन एग्जीक्यूशन मार्केटिंग, लाइक ब्रांडिंग जो आपका होता है, OOH वगैरह सब हो गया। एंड देन ही लर्न डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट्स फैड एंड एवरीबडी इज लर्निंग इट।
राइट
नाउ इवन इफ दिस पर्सन गेट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, ही और शी विल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, इंटरनल फ्रिक्शन आई कॉल इट एज, right? After some time he will learn and he will make his or her ways, but eventually he might be he might be struggling with himself or herself behind that role. So my point is कि even upskilling basis upon your E of Epic is important. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं एपिक की जगह मैं अपस्किलिंग कर लेता हूँ, things are same, no, things are not same. And second part, epic is not only internal, it is also external. A lot of people think that they will learn something and they will apply and they will be known. No, it doesn't happen like that. You are one amongst hundred of employees, thousand of employees. So what
राइट
you learn, what you stand for, you should know how to externally exhibit that also. Epic teaches you that.
राइट दैट काइंड ऑफ क्लैरिटी इज इम्पोर्टेंट और फिर वही बात आ जाती है क्लैरिटी नहीं होगी तो फिर आगे एग्जीक्यूशन तक तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे व्हेन यू डोंट हैव दैट
Correct.
काइंड क्लैरिटी
Absolutely.
राइट सो द अदर टू पिलर्स कम्युनिकेशन एंड कम्युनिटी तो अ, इनको कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं कम्युनिटी ऑफ कोर्स इज द लाइफ टाइम प्रोसेस बट हाउ डू वी टॉक अबाउट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन
See, there are only 3 C's of communication you should always remember. Communication के बहुत सारे frameworks हैं, models and on the internet and everything. Somebody will get confused out of it. But the 3 basic pillars is communication के अंदर clarity होनी चाहिए. There should be clarity in what you are communicating. You should be consistent in what you stand for.
राइट
And you should be compelling. If you remember these 3 C's, you have cracked the communication part, right? For example, Anjali, you, as an example, you have started this Kahani as a podcast, right? So your clarity is, okay, I am starting this podcast to understand kahanis of various people, right? That's clarity. Now, when you consistently talk about this clarity with real life case studies, real life stories, you are actually touching upon 3 C's of communication in one go. right? This is how you build communication for professionals, students, entrepreneurs, and every seat counts. And for
Right.
even for leaders, बिकॉज़
Hmm.
बोलते हैं ना कि यार मैनेजर मेरा बोलता कुछ है, करता कुछ है.
Hmm.
That's a problem of C. He is having a problem
Hmm.
of communication, or he's having a problem of authenticity. You will not believe in somebody who says something else and do something else. That's a pure human instinct. No AI can change that behavior.
And
Correct?
I think ये होता भी है with a lot of new founders because
Absolutely.
ideas change होते रहते हैं over time कि अच्छा
Oh,
अभी कुछ हाँ right
that
go
that's
ahead.
actually a beautiful point because आजकल पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का बहुत वो है,
Hmm.
you know, the way people are doing their personal. I am also doing my personal branding. You're
Hmm.
also doing. It's no
Hmm.
not bad in that. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है ना अंजलि, जैसे लिंक्डइन है, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच एक्टिव ऑन लिंक्डइन, है ना.
Hmm.
अब प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है कि लिंक्डइन में ना देयर इज दिस थॉट दैट इज गोइंग ऑन दैट जो भी ट्रेंडिंग कंटेंट होगा आप ना उस पे पार्टिसिपेट करो, इरिस्पेक्टिव इफ इट सूट्स योर नरेशन और नॉट. नाउ व्हाट
Right.
इज हैपनिंग, दे आर गेटिंग वैनिटी
Hmm.
मेट्रिसेस मतलब लाइक्स वगैरह सब आ रहा है उनके पास.
Hmm.
बट सपोज अ पर्सन स्टैंड्स फॉर अ बॉटल, राइट,
Hmm.
बट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट or let's forget it. Let's suppose a person is talking about technology
Hmm.
and he's talking about empathy one
Hmm.
day. Second day he's
Hmm.
talking about villages.
Hmm.
Third day is talking about something else.
Hmm.
जो जो बंदा देख रहा है वो भी इंसान है ना यार.
Hmm.
और लिंक्डइन में समझदार इंसान बैठे हैं. We are not
Absolutely.
stupid. Your public is
Hmm.
not stupid to understand what you're trying to do.
Hmm.
Right? वो लाइक कर देंगे because of course मोटिवेशन सबको पसंद है.
Hmm.
Everybody likes motivation. But then they will not come to you for their problems, na? Because they
Hmm.
know कि ये तो यार चल रहा था, it was in demand, you just posted it out of nowhere.
Right.
Now, one advice which I want to give to all these people, trying personal branding, चाहे वो entrepreneurs हो, चाहे वो corporate हो, चाहे वो whatever, whoever they are, stick to your domain, stick
Hmm.
to your
Right.
expertise, stick to your skills. आपको vanity metrics नहीं मिलेगा, it's okay. मेरे
Hmm.
कितने पोस्ट जो है पहले जब मैंने शुरू किया था, 2 लाइक 3 लाइक ऐसे भी आते थे, बट दैट
Right.
डजंट स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम स्पीकिंग आउट, राइट. सो इफ यू बिलीव इन समथिंग एंड इफ दैट बिलीफ adds a meaning to someone's life, stick
Hmm.
to it, stick to your ground. Not today, not tomorrow, 3 months, 5 months, you will slowly and steadily start building people around you,
Right.
and that is the best way of creating a personal brand, when people attaches themselves to you because of what you stand for.
Right. And that kind of consistency is important. जो आप बोल रहे हो उसी को repeatedly
हाँ, मतलब
बोलते रहो,
थॉट,
right? Of course.
नॉट रादर बोलना बट थॉट. देखो
Hmm.
कम्युनिकेशन में यही फर्क है आपका ना, ईपीआई में और सी में.
Hmm.
ईपीआई आपका कंसिस्टेंट हो सकता
Hmm.
है,
Hmm.
लेकिन कम्युनिकेशन इवॉल्व हो सकता है.
Right. Right.
बट कम्युनिकेशन आपका ईपीआई से आना, थॉट,
Hmm.
तभी वो एपिक बन.
Right. Right. So someone who comes to you who wants to start the Epic framework in their life, तो उनके most commonly questions क्या होते हैं? Like, what do they ask you?
सो वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग दे आस्क इज, जैसे अभी इंडियन लास्टली लार्जली भी आ रहे हैं, तो नॉट अ लॉट मेनी पीपल typically know the depth of epic. सो
Hmm.
उनका क्वेश्चन ये रहता है अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट, मार्केटिंग कितनी जल्दी रिजल्ट देगा, व्हाट्स योर फी एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. आई मीन को मेरे को, इफ आई से दैट मेरे को इन डेप्थ किसी ने इंक्वायरी की हो तो अभी तक तो कोई नहीं हो, और
Hmm.
जो थे उनके 2 ब्रांड्स में बना चुका हूँ एंड दे आर वेरी मच लाइव एंड ऑपरेटिंग.
Hmm.
So yeah, I think still the awareness of epic, and that's what my consistency is building up, the awareness of
Hmm.
epic. So a lot of brand people are coming to me, a lot of business units are coming to me for creating brand from scratch.
Hmm.
And I think that's what I enjoy also, when you create something. So there's a अलग ही वो madness होती है.
Right. Right. अ, तो जब कोई ब्रांड क्रिएट कर रहे होते हैं entrepreneurs हैं जैसे तो what are the things they get wrong about marketing? I mean, of course, वो चीज तो है ही कि एग्जीक्यूशन पे जल्दी आ जाते हैं, बट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स और ऐसे मिथ्स इफ यू हैव टू बर्स्ट फॉर देम?
Very good question. So, through you, I want to tell them marketing is not magic. First thing, it only amplifies what is already existing. Marketing kya hai? Marketing is you reach out to people, right?
राइट.
To make your product visible. है ना? मतलब सिंपल डेफिनेशन है मार्केटिंग की. तो टिल द टाइम इफ योर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट क्लियर, यू आर एम्पलीफाइंग कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. आप जितने मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स कर बार बार कर लो, ए बी टेस्टिंग कर, टिल द टाइम योर कोर इज नॉट स्ट्रांग, you are just shooting shit with confidence and wasting your money on that, right? So one advice or the myths which I am trying to break is marketing is not a magic wand कि आप कुछ भी ले आओ और मार्केटिंग से आपका शुरू. सेकेंड इज इट टेक्स टाइम एंड कन्विक्शन. अगर आपको लगे कि आपको 2 महीने में रिजल्ट चाहिए, 3 महीने में रिजल्ट चाहिए, तो आप खुद कर लो ना, राइट? बिकॉज रिजल्ट्स, नो मार्केटिंग, नो स्ट्रेटेजी कैन गारंटी यू. मतलब
राइट.
यू टॉक टू एनीबडी, टू एनी केपीएमजी ऑल्सो, दे कैन टेल यू कि हाँ इससे हमारा बेटर हो सकता है, बट रिजल्ट इज अ डायनेमिक. रिजल्ट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लॉट ऑफ रियल वर्ल्ड डायनेमिक्स.
राइट.
आपने पूरा रीपोजिशन किया अपने आप को, लाइक रीइन्वेंशन की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो आपने रीपोजिशन किया, आप मार्केट में गए, you have to see customers response, and then you have to come back again, open your strategy book, rewrite things, then you go back. So it's a constant effort of trial and errors, है ना? तो इट्स नॉट कि आपने एक स्ट्रैटेजी बना ली और आप 15 साल बैठ गए. आपको एक स्ट्रैटेजी को मार्केट में लाना है, ट्राई करना है, कस्टमर्स की बात सुननी है, कम्युनिटी की बात सुननी है, उस पर रीवर्क करना है, एंड देन यू ऑल्सो हैव टू गो बैक. बट एवरीथिंग कैन ओनली हैपन व्हेंस यू आर श्योर दैट आपका EPICC इज वेल ऑन प्लेस. अदरवाइज जो मार्केट बोलेगा और जो आप समझोगे उसमें बहुत फर्क होगा, और जो
एब्सोल्युटली.
आप बोलना चाहोगे और जो मार्केट समझेगी उसमें भी बहुत फर्क होगा,
राइट.
राइट? So the best part is marketing. I've told you 3 myths. First, it's not a magic wand. It's a conscious, deliberate, and strategical effort. Second is, you know, uh, if you are building from clarity, from foundations, you can never go. You will not go wrong, and you will constantly evolve. And third thing is feedback. No strategies, work in isolation. It needs market validation and feedbacks. Yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो जब बिजनेसेस स्टार्ट भी कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो बिकॉज मार्केट हैज बिकम सो क्राउडेड, आई मीन कोई भी
Mm-hmm.
मार्केट अगर आप स्पेसिफिकली बात करो तो बहुत क्राउडेड हो गई है. लेट्स से इफ आई हैव टू स्टार्ट इन मार्केटिंग ओनली, तो मेरे सामने इतना कंपटीशन है, इतने सारे मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज हैं एंड फ्रीलांसर्स हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग मार्केटिंग, राइट? सो हाउ कैन समवन आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट इज देयर डिफरेंशिएटर, और वो करेज कहाँ से लाएं कि ओके, है competition, but I have to still be at it.
Good question, and a very relevant question in today's world. So I'll tell you from both angles. ब्रांड साइड से बताता हूँ, प्रोडक्ट साइड से, एक सर्विस साइड से बताता हूँ. बिकॉज या तो प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे होगे या आप सर्विस बेच रहे होगे. सर्विस बेचने में प्रोफेशनल्स आ गए एंड ऑल दो स्टफ, एंड प्रोडक्ट में बिजनेसेस आ गए. इसको भी कहानियों के हिसाब से. नाउ अंजलि, you want to buy a instant noodle packet. You go to a kirana store. What will you pick?
Uh, Maggie.
Maggie, right? I also like Maggie a lot, by the way. My
Mm.
kid also likes Maggie a lot. Why Maggie? There were tens of other products over right adjacent to Maggie in the same space. Why Maggie? बताओ.
सालों से मैगी खा रहे हैं तो वो टेस्ट
Yeah,
डेवलप हो गया है.
very good. That means Maggie is a category in itself. Instant noodles mean Maggie.
राइट.
Xerox mean photocopy. है ना?
राइट.
अब ये बात होगी कि existing है. Now somebody, for example, Jitin wants to open a new brand and under instant noodle, right? Now, if I only talk about, okay, there's an instant noodles that gets prepared in 2 minutes, और वो मैं मैगी के साथ रख देता हूँ. Will you buy that new product? No, because
Right.
you only want to buy Maggie.
Right.
Until unless the other product give you something in specific which Maggie is not able to give you.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So when you are operating in a clutter, the differentiation might not always be product. It can also be perspective.
Right.
If the same brand comes to you and tell you, I give you same taste of Maggie,
Hmm.
but it's not of maida.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It is easy to eat. It
Hmm.
doesn't have chemicals.
Hmm.
And at the same time, if Maggie's, sorry, and at the same time, it can be consumed as a takeaway also. Try
Hmm.
me. Would you want to try it now?
Yeah.
What it
Hmm.
did special? It changed your perspective to how you
Perspective.
look at
Right.
category.
Hmm.
That's how products who are coming into us into a crowded market can differentiate, right? See, simple logic है.
Hmm.
आपने कुछ भी बेचना है, whatever you are selling to a human,
Right.
right? You can use multiple AI tools, multiple this thing, multiple deep, complex, heavy strategies, but till the time you don't understand human psychology,
Yeah.
you will not be able to sell convincingly, right?
Right.
So either you are a product who is unique in itself,
Hmm.
कि वो so for example a product comes to you and say कि बॉस मैं तो इंस्टेंट नूडल बनाता ही नहीं हूँ ना, मैं तो
Hmm.
कुछ और बना रहा हूँ, वो इंस्टेंट नूडल से हटके है. आप
Hmm.
क्लियर कट बोलोगे लेट मी ट्राई इट.
Right.
तो उसने क्या बोला कि मैं इस कैटेगरी का हूँ ही नहीं, तो आप मेरे को ट्राई करो. तो आप देन यू गॉट अ मोटिवेशन कि ओके लेट मी ट्राई समथिंग न्यू दिस टाइम, है ना? नाउ सपोजिंगली इफ यू आर सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट अंडर इंस्टेंट नूडल ओनली, then your product is not differentiating na, your perspective needs to differentiate. So that is true with product के हिसाब से. Now
Hmm.
similar thought is for career also. There are tens, hundred thousand of agencies operating, and
Right.
a lot of them are doing good also.
Hmm.
And there are a lot of people under marketing now. That's where Epic comes into picture. Suppose you are in a line or queue of people who are interviewing for a job of a marketing executive.
Hmm.
10-12 लोग आपके आगे हैं, जो भी हैं, एंड देन यू आर लुकिंग एट देम एंड इवन कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स. चलो मैं ये भी बात करता हूँ.
Hmm.
कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स में जब अब कंपनी आती है मार्केटिंग के लिए, मैं 10-15 और 35-40
Hmm.
minimum 30 to 45
Right.
students were applying, right? Now those students who have done their epic, they would know their strength, their value, their skills and what they bring to the table.
Hmm.
ठीक है, वो प्रिपेयर होके आए होंगे. एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ एपिक इज वो सिर्फ प्रिपेयर होके आए नहीं होंगे, दे विल नो हाउ टू पैकेज इट
Right.
टू द रिक्रूटर्स.
Hmm.
पीआई आपका इंटरनल है, बट मैडम
Hmm.
सी तो आपका एक्सटर्नल है,
Right. Yeah.
राइट? सो हाउ यू कम्युनिकेट दैट इज एसेंशियल
Hmm.
पार्ट ऑफ एपिक, राइट? सो नाउ अब नाउ थिंक. सो रिक्रूटर जो होता है ना, वो एक जैसे एचआर हो गया. एचआर विल बी देयर एंड देन मार्केटिंग पर्सन विल बी देयर टू रिक्रूट
Hmm.
समबडी. नाउ in terms of marketing, example as a job or any job, finance,
Hmm.
whatever, when they are interviewing 10, 30, 35 odd students, 90% of these students will have the same answers of the marks, percentage of why they like finance and what is a career goal. 90% will be prepared with these answers, but those 10% will be able to connect the subject and the job with their epic, that why you should hire me, my
Right.
existence, the way I am positioned around it, the way I've created my identity around it, and I'm communicating around it, and I am already accessible in marketing communication, proves
Hmm.
that I'm serious for marketing.
Right.
So all the students hearing our podcast, LinkedIn is a very good platform. Do
Hmm.
join groups if you want to get into marketing. Do join groups in marketing, in finance. Do join group in finance, and so on and so forth. The way recruitment is
Hmm.
has changed over years is
Hmm.
basically now HR also track your digital presence. तो
Right. Absolutely.
अगर वो देखेगा कि हाँ भी मार्केटिंग फोरम्स में है, ही इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग, ही इज शोइंग विलिंगनेस,
Hmm.
फॉर मी आई विल हायर दैट पर्सन फॉर श्योर. चाहे उसमें अभी
Hmm.
वो स्किल ना हो कि वो, आई नो इफ दिस पर्सन लव्स दिस सब्जेक्ट, इफ दिस पर्सन हैज एन एप्टीट्यूड एंड एटीट्यूड टू लर्न मोर अबाउट इट, आई विल ट्रेन हिम, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आई विल हायर हिम और हर. So that's how you use Epic to your advantage.
Lovely. I think बहुत सारे confusions यहाँ पे clear हो गए about Epic as well. So, if एक question just मेरे mind में आया था, so I wanted to ask
Sure,
about
sure.
it as well. So, if you have to differentiate between a good founder and a confused founder, so how would you do that?
I think by the questions they ask.
Hmm.
You know, the first perception is basis the questions you ask. So, a confused founder will come to me. Now, ironically, this confused founder will be very confident about his product or service. है ना? देखो इसमें भी irony है. Both the founders will have confidence somewhere. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो confused हर जगह में होगा, right? So this founder might be confident about what he brings to the table, product or a service. But what if he'll be confused about will be how to attract customers. है ना?
Right.
उनको ये philosophy समझ नहीं आती of कि so a lot of founders are not from philosophical mindset. They said कि मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट है, मेरे को धंधा करना है, पैसा आना चाहिए. सिंपल
Right.
लॉजिक जो होता है. So they will have knowledge about, they will be confident about the product, but they will not be confident about how to attract consumers to try their product. That is one. Now a confident, now यही इसी में confident कौन होगा? He knows about this product. He also knows कि उसको किसको target करना है, whom he needs to target for this product, and he would also know what problem is my product solving for that customer. So this person who is talking to me, he'll tell me, okay, Jitin, I have this shampoo. This is meant for 3 to 5 year old kids. And the beauty of this is when you apply this shampoo over a kid's or toddler's face, it will not create any harmful reactions and kid will not cry and there will be no chemical after effect after that. Now that's a confident founder,
Right.
right? So that's a differentiation. Again, the way they talk to you, the way they ask you questions. Now you'll ask me कि फिर वो confident वाला founder आ क्यों रहा है मेरे पास? If he knows everything that okay, this is my product, this is this. So what will I do and what will Epic do? Confidence internal versus confidence external is a very different concept altogether. Creators will always appreciate their creation. You will never say bad about Kahaniya because it's your creation. There is a
Right.
psychological and mental connection to it, right? But the other person might give you feedbacks about it. That's what we call as third perspective, right?
Right.
So these founders, when they'll come to me, they will tell me this. I might ask them 5 questions which they never thought about. Example, same question, soap. They say it's meant to 3 to 5 year old. I said, why 3 to 5 year old? Why not ahead? Kid of 6 year old is also a kid. 7 year old will also be a kid. Why are you narrowing your target audience? I will ask them business question and then they'll think about it. They'll say no, yes, because you've studied that, the market report we have studied and there is a positive EBITDA in this and whatever their reasons will be. Okay, fine. Then I'll ask more question. Then they will say that this product basically does not do chemical residue. So I will ask them, is your product unique or are there any competition in this space? Either the answer will be yes, unique, or no, it will not be unique. If yes, unique, then how do you want to package it? Because the problem with unique products, my dear friends, is you have to create demand for that.
Right.
यूनिक का मतलब क्या एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता
Existing. Right.
एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता तो आपको डिमांड क्रिएट करनी होगी इट्स अ डिफरेंट चैलेंज
Right.
एंड द प्रॉब्लम विद नॉट यूनिक इज लाइक द मैगी एग्जाम right, so that's where my questions will give a direction and that's why Epic will be important now.
Right. Right. Lovely. I think मेरे खुद के बहुत सारे doubts clear हो गए हैं through this conversation. So, if I have to wrap up the conversation with one kahani, as we started with kahani talk through kahanis, so what would be your takeaway for whoever is listening to us, maybe through an example, through a kahani you would like to share?
Okay. So kahani needs a kahani to end, right? So the kahani is that a kahani is waiting for you. You just need to think it inside out. So any disruption that is happening in your life right now might be very torturing. I can relate to it 110% because I have been the one who has gone through that. बोलते ना कि you have walked through the fire. I have been the one who have walked through that fire, and not 2-3 months of fire, 18 months of fire, and still I'm walking through that fire. So just relax, because for anything great to start, something needs to end, right? So that will be my suggestion to you. Do not treat reinvention as a crisis. It is actually an inside out strategy waiting to happen. Just dwell on that.
Lovely, lovely thought to conclude the conversation. I hope this will help a lot of people out there, be it founders or students or professionals. Great. Thank you so
Absolutely,
much.
Anjali. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you for it. Thank you so much,
Thank
Anjali.
you.